Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a freeCodeCamp tutorial on responsive web design principles. And we're going to learn about different resolutions on devices and such. So with different devices, there can be images can be displayed differently because pixel density is an aspect that can be different from one device and another. This is known as picture per inch, PPI, or dots per inch. You probably heard of the most famous one of this display is the Retina display that Apple talks about in the MacBook Pro notebooks. And there's a difference in picture densities between Retina and non-Retina displays. So some images that have not been made with this high resolution display in mind could look pixelated when you render it in a high resolution display. So a fix for this is that the simplest way to make your images properly appear on high resolution displays on MacBook Pro's Retina display is to define the width and height values as only half of what the original file is. So they don't look as they wouldn't look pixelated when they're on these high resolution displays. So this is just an example of how they put height 250 and width 250 on a picture that is supposed to be 500. So for this exercise, it wants to set the width and height of the image tag to half of their original values. In this case, both the original height and original width are 200 pixels. So we wanted to change it to 100. So we need to identify the image, select the image, and then the property we're going to change is the height, and we're going to change it to half of it, which would be 100 pixels. And then width be 100 pixels. And that'll be it for this one. So the higher Retina display, your images wouldn't look pixelated with these high resolution displays. Thank you so much.